Hello guys, welcome to this video about Hailuo AI, the guide and insight you need to create your videos easily. So here we are on the main page of Hailuo AI. As you can see, it's still in beta. So I've created an account and you get 100 credits for free. And here you can create a text to video or image to video. So let me show you guys. First, I'll show you some examples of people that have already done this. For example, this one, it's made into a video. Oh, here you can see a raccoon sitting in a pool with a drink. It's pretty funny. And you have a couple more. I will show you one more and then we get right into it. So here you can see a baby hamster stunned as corn kernels turn into popcorn. And with a human, here you can see the man in the green top with long hair looks up at the camera in horror. So there are different kinds. Let me create one. Let's say shark is getting, a man is swimming away from a shark in horror, for example, in the water from a big shark in horror. Okay, let's create this one. You can turn this on or off. When it's enabled, your prompts will be automatically refined into more detailed descriptions to enhance generation quality. You can also disable this feature to have the model follows your prompts more precisely. In this case, it's recommended to provide more detailed prompt for optimal results. Let's turn it on so it will create a better prompt and click on generate. It will cost 30 shells. I think it's right here. So here we are. The video is uploaded and ready. So here you can see the video actually I created. So a man is swimming away in the water from a big shark in horror. You cannot see his face right here, but I think it's pretty funny actually to see it worked. And let's do also a image to video. Let me see if I can find a picture. So here I loaded in the picture. Make the head move and set the house on fire. For example, let's see how this works out. This will also cost 30 credits. Here we go. I'll be right back to you guys when it's ready. So here we are guys, the video is ready. Let's see, actually it took some time. So, oh geez, they trolled me. I thought the big house was going on fire, but it's a other building. Wow, that actually looks surreal. What? Wow. Okay, I think the animation at the start is a bit like flimsy. Something is going on with his head, but it's actually not bad, and this is a real plot twist for me. So I think it's doing a good job, and if you describe the prompt better, I think the face will come out better as well. So here you can download it if you want, and let's go over the plan actually of the website. So with yearly you have 10% off. You have a free version. You get bonus credit for daily login, up to 3 tasks in the queue. So the queue takes a bit of time, like 5 to 10 minutes to generate. So it takes a while if you need to do a lot. If you do standard, it's $107.99 a year. You get bonus credit for daily login, just like with free. You get 1,000 credits per month. Fast track generation. I think this is actually the most benefit upside to it. Up to 5 tasks in queue. Process 2 tasks simultaneously. Remove watermarks and priority access to new features. So I think this is a really great one to go. Monthly it's $9.99. And if you do unlimited, it's $1,139.88 on year basis. And on monthly, it's monthly $94.99. You get unlimited credits per month, fast track generation, up to 5 tasks, process 2 tasks simultaneously, remove watermarks and priority access to new features. So the unlimited credits is here, I think, the upside on the unlimited version. So you can even select here to purchase your credits if you want to, just without a subscription. So here you can see $5 you get 500 credits, for $10 you get 1,000, 20 and so forth. As you can see, You can pay if you want to. They expire in 2 years and are non-transferable and non-refundable. So just so you know, here are some frequently asked questions. Do I have commercial rights? Yes. Any videos without watermarks are yours, so that's actually great. A refund is not supported right now. If you purchase a membership for 1 month, your membership will not automatically renew after it expires. So this is actually the full website. There's not much to explain more. I hope you liked the video and have a great day. Bye.